parents always support. Even that time also supported.
Who was that one person who always stood by you whenever you had any problems or any issues? So who was that one person who was always besides you?
That is my father.
Great.
Every time, everywhere, from childhood to that time. I also earn money and to give them, but that time we also no need. You just save your money and enjoy your life, and just you can read lot of things. You can yeah, means now that time we also support for the reading and everything, and every types of.
Good. What difficulties did you face while, being in this field or doing all your graduation, everything?
Yes. Actually, I have done my graduation with doing the job. With the that time, I'm doing job also and doing graduation. So I cannot say that it's difficulty. It's not difficult. That time, yeah, that it was little bit difficult. Not because if we earn money and we working on any field, and little bit difficulty. So it's a normal things that facing little bit difficulty. Like if we go any other state, go to the other district, and there was face a like language problem also. You can face food, like we don't like. We visit a like suppose we have to go the Kerala, and I'm from UP, so we have a little. We can face a little bit issue like our meals. Where is a South Indian food, idli, dosa, sambar. So a little bit problem with that, and then also with the language. They don't know Hindi. They don't know my area's language, and I also don't know what they are saying. That time we have to conversation with a little bit English, not more English, because they also don't know more English, and I also don't know more English.
Yeah.
That time, feel difficulty.
Okay.
Uh,
And you passed all those things and you are here now at your job.
yes.
That's great.
That's a issue I also face when when I was go to the Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay.
There also
There
this
also you
problem,
faced.
because they don't know about Hindi, they don't know about English more. So that time I also faced that type of issue. Then there was a lot of issue with the miles, because
So
they
it was very difficult for you to go through all
we
these.
not it just survive for only I was habitual after 5 to 10 days, 1 week to 2 weeks.
Okay.
So I have to survive any types of and I can survive in anywhere.
It takes time. Everybody, takes time to be used to certain environment. But if you want that thing so hard, you'll do anything for that. That's what it's called.
Yes.
Okay, Arun, we are almost towards the end of